I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable lending on Kraken, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, go to the funding tab located in the main menu. This is where you can manage your assets and lending options. Step 3. Select the lending option. In the funding section, look for the lending option. Click on it to access the lending features available on your account. Step 4. Enable lending. You will see an option to enable lending. Click the toggle switch to turn it on. Make sure to read the terms and conditions before proceeding. Step 5. Set your lending preferences. After enabling, set your lending preferences, including the amount and interest rate. Double-check these settings to avoid any mistakes, like accidentally lending more than you intended. Now you're all set to start lending on Kraken. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!